here to do another video on another Michael Kors handbag. This is a bag that I got from the Michael Kors outlet maybe like a year or so ago. It's just a little small bucket bag, and it is called the Michael Kors Kimberly small bucket bag, and it's in the color black. And like I said, I got this out of the outlet a while back when me and my husband was coming back from vacation. So here it is, and this is the signature print. Here's the side, and he has changed the little emblem to where now it's like a little jiggly thing or whatever. I think that's neat, so that's cute. It's the black and silver. So here's the back, and it does have a little small pocket in the back. I don't think a phone's gonna fit in there, but I'll check it out and see. And here's the bottom part, and it does have feet, which I was surprised about that. So it does have little small feet on there. Let me show you guys the inside of the bag. And here is the inside. If you can't see it, I did take pictures, so I'll provide pictures at the end. But it does have just a small pocket right there in the inside, and that's it. It doesn't have a pocket on the other side. And then right here, it just snaps closed right there. So there it is, and it is a crossbody. You can wear it as a crossbody, or you can wear it as a shoulder bag, and you can adjust the straps to where if you want it shorter or longer. So there's that. Now let me get let's see if my phone will fit in this back pocket. I have the iPhone 11. Let's see. It'll fit, but it's a tight fit. I think if I didn't have my case on there, it'll just slide in there without any problem. But it's still a good tight fit, which I like. You gotta worry about nobody come snatching up out of there. But yeah, I've probably been I don't want to mess it up, but I think if I didn't have my case on here, it will fit. It'll slide in there just right. But I don't know about y'all. I have to have me a case. I'm not one of those people that walk around without a case on my phone. So that's that. So yeah, I just want to show you guys this bag, and it did come in I want to say like the brown color and maybe another color. I can't remember, but it does retail for $268, and you know I didn't pay that much in the outlet because they were having I want to say like probably like 50% off, and then I had got like an extra 25% off. So I got this bag for like under $100. I want to say I paid like $80 or something for this bag, which it wasn't a bad deal or whatever. But yeah, y'all, it's a cute bag, perfect for, you know, shopping. If you don't want to carry a large bag, this will be a perfect bag for you guys. Yep, but this is the Kimberly small bucket bag. So if you're interested in this bag, I'm sure you should be able to still find it on some of the other sites. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.